In this video, we're going to take a look at Apollo.io and Rocketreach to see which one is better. So I have a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. So we're going to start with the pros for Apollo.io. So as you can see, we have advanced lead filtering and CRM tools, built-in email sequencing, larger contact database. Then we have Rocketreach, very accurate contact data, simple, easy to use interface, and good for quick one-off lookups. Then we have the cons. So for Apollo.io, we have slightly steeper learning curve, so it's harder to learn how to use it, and email accuracy can vary. Then we have Rocketreach, limited outreach CRM features, fewer business-to-business filtering options. So basically choose Apollo.io if, as you can see, is better for sales teams and outreach automation. So if you're looking for this, you should pick Apollo.io, and Rocketreach is better for quick contact, lookups, and simplicity. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.